Hey RVers, Spencer Mika here, coming from Veurink's RV in Grand Rapids. Today I want to show you one of my favorite floor plans, and it is by Sporttrek 327 VIK, and it is just perfect for every kind of camping you want to do, whether or not you want to get a week away with the friends and family, or you want to get away from the friends and family for a week. It's all up to you. But to start, I'm going to rock out with the perfect exterior party camper part. You get the TV, the fridge, the griddle, the sink, the exterior speakers. Everything's ready to go for fun. And so coming along the side, you have a massive awning off the slider and an additional awning off the front here. So that does have built-in LEDs. So if you're playing cards, playing games outside, that will definitely bring in that light for you at night. But the party can also happen inside, so let's hop in. Welcome to the inside of your brand new Sporttrek 327 VIK by Venture. Coming in at 36 feet long, 8,300 pounds. This is definitely your party camper. And this is the bunkhouse floor plan. And I'll get right to the back here where the kids can party. But to start off, let's address this beautiful kitchen. So with the color contrast, with the white cabinetry and the tan, it's definitely your more homely feel. Seamless countertops with the stainless steel sunken sink. And the cool part, Venture, as a self-proclaimed cook, comes with your own cutting board, which actually fits perfectly over your sink. So they really thought of everything, especially storage. And one thing for me when I camp, I don't like having my trash bin just sitting in the open. So they went Dutch, and they put a little area underneath the sink for that trash bin. So ample amount of storage coming in the kitchen. Living area, you get mom and pop seats, theater seats with your cup holders, heating, massaging, you name it, perfect setup right across from the entertainment center. So it comes with the TV, your interior AM, FM, Bluetooth radio, and a sweet little fireplace that just kind of gets you sitting down, relaxing, and it kicks out a lot of heat. So let's get into the kids' room. As you can see, plenty of enough space for all the kiddos to enjoy their time. Comes with a TV backer so they can enjoy their movies. Double bunks, plenty of storage, and more storage in this closet here. So games, you name it. But for the mom and dad, master bathroom, master suite up front here. So there is your entryway. Big shower, plenty enough storage for your towels. And the cool part is it comes with a porcelain foot flush toilet. And then the master suite. You got your front cap window up there giving plenty enough sunlight, but it is tinted so people can't see in. True queen size bed up front here with hers and hers closet. And then the guy's closet up top. Because let's face it, my wife brings a lot more clothes than I do. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you want to get in touch with me and learn more about this, because I haven't addressed everything in this massive RV, give me a call or text me, Spencer Mika at Veurink's RV in Grand Rapids, and we'll get you in relaxing in no time in this beautiful camper. Thank you.